Hello student, welcome to online class. I hope all of you are well and safe at your home. I am Mrs. SD from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. In this video, I will explain the summer vacation homework of class 5 subject English. As you know, the summer vacation holiday homework is divided into 4 parts. First, that is learning work, in which oral work are given that you have to learn it. Second is written work. Third is project, or you can say activity work. And the fourth one is SSHW, that is self-search homework. And these all you have to do and write neat and clean, for that you can get the marks in PA first exam. So with a lot of care, do it. Let's see the first one, that is learning work. In that, first point is learn the poem My Puppy Play Piano. This poem is from your book, the chapter first poem, that is, let's see in your book. This is your book and the poem is, here is the poem My Puppy Play Piano on page number 12. So you have to learn this poem from your book. When school is open, you will be asked. So learn the poem from your book. Next work is learn the word meaning and the question answers of chapter 1st and 2nd of English first. And the third is the learn the definition of sentence and its kinds. This is of English second. So first, that is, you have to learn the question answers and word meaning that is given in your book. Chapter first is Oliver finds a home, in which there is no difficult word meanings are given, but the word meaning given in the poem. In the first poem, there is a difficult words and the meanings are given. You have to learn it from here. Second chapter is Tenali meets Babar, and words meaning are given in all the pages, in page number 16 and also in page number 17. So you have to learn this from your book. Here also in page number 18, some of the word meanings are given. These are the word meaning, so you have to learn it from your book. Third point is, that is definition of sentence and its kinds. It is of your English second book. This is your English second book and the chapters are, this is chapter 2 sentence. You have to learn the definition of sentence from book and also you can find it also in WhatsApp group, in PDF also it is given. So learn the definition of sentence and its kinds, that is given in chapter number 3rd. Here is chapter 3rd, that is sentence type, or you can say kinds. So you have to learn the definition of sentence and its kinds. Here it is given: assertive sentence, declarative sentence, affirmative, negative. All the things is given in your book. So with the help of books, learn it. Chup raho. Written work, you have to write the word meaning and question answers of chapter 1st and 2nd in your fair copy. So you have to use your fair copy, and in that you have to write the word meanings and the question answers of both the chapter which I have shown you. In the same way, or you have to write the definition of sentence and its kinds also with examples in your fair copy. And the project is write about noun and its kind on a chart paper. So you have to write the definition of noun and kinds of noun on a chart paper with definition. Second project is write a poem on a chart paper. This is option. You can do one of these. Either you write a definition of noun and its kind, or you can write a poem on a chart paper. From these two you have to do only one. So it is clear. Now the self-search homework is make a list of 20 collective noun. You have to choose 20 collective noun and make the list on a copy. So this is your summer vacation holiday homework. I hope it is clear to you. So children, stay home and stay safe. Goodbye.